Arthur, the editor of Infectious Diseases Hub, and today we're here at the Society for Applied Microbiology's ECS Research Symposium. We've been asking some of the delegates what piece of advice they'd give other early career researchers.
I think that my one piece of advice would be to do as much research as possible about any ideas that you're interested in, potential supervisors, universities. Don't be afraid to contact supervisors and ask them questions about any work they're doing. They'll be more than happy to discuss it with you and potentially, take you on board or suggest other people in the field that might be able to help you. Just look for as much information as you can. There's plenty out there, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
I think my one piece of advice would be don't have a plan. Now I know that sounds a bit counterintuitive, but what I mean by that is don't be so focused on an end goal that's a long way away that means you miss out on opportunities that present themselves to you in your peripheral vision.
Probably try and stay focused on your one research topic and not get distracted by everything else, even if it seems very interesting. You just need to stay focused on whatever your one main research question is.
I'd say that when you're still in the lab and you're still doing all your experiments, to start writing up your materials and methods for your thesis or like your dissertation, anything like that, just because it makes it one less thing at the end to do and one thing ticked off your list.
I'd make sure that you go in and read around the subject before you go into the lab, so you kind of know what you're doing and plan some experiments before you actually go into the lab.
I think that it's very important to come to conferences and show your research and talk to people and try not to get nervous and try that the nerves don't stop you from present your work in a poster or in a talk, because it's important that you showcase your research, and you never know what's going to happen and who might be listening and will give you really good ideas or help you with your next stages in your career.
I would say don't focus too much on your research. I'd say get out, attend conferences, present your research, get writing publications, but also do some extracurricular activities. I am early career policy officer for SVAM, and I'm really enthusiastic about science and policy, so I'd suggest people to get out there and do other stuff.
Some great advice there. And for more careers advice, expert insights and feature interviews, take a look at the Early Careers Zone on Infectious Diseases.